Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add music to WhatsApp status on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Click on Update. Then, you see, New, Share with Music. Now share your WhatsApp update with music. Search through and then go ahead and select the image you want to use. So let's go ahead and use this. Now, locate and click on the music icon. Once you click on that, hang on for the music page to open. So you can search for song or artist name. And then once you have it, just go down and click on it. This is going to play the music. Now, click on the pointed arrow to add it. Then, use this slider to show where you want to play the music. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on Done at top right. Then, the music is going to be added. Then, click on the Send button to send this to your status. Then, it should say port that says preparing. Once this is prepared, then it's going to be sent to your WhatsApp status like this. You see that? So, and the title of the music and the artist is going to pop at the top just like this. So that is exactly how to add music to WhatsApp status on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.